Hello YouTube. Had to get my music going. Today I'm going to do a wheel swap between a 110 jjrc Jeep Willys, and I'm going to swap the wheels with a WPL 1/16 scale Unimog. Just for shits and giggles. Pretty difficult to do this by yourself and hold the phone. So, I already got some wheels. And they do fit. As a matter of fact, I like these military wheels on my Unimog way better. Yeah. Yeah, tell me what you think. That is cool. I like this a lot better. Looks more military. I'm such a wheelman. In fact, I got the metal ones. I might paint them, I might not. Who knows? Now, tell me what you think about these wheels on this. It don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. But nevertheless, I'm gonna keep my military wheels. That's how it is. Okay. Next video I do is going to be the remote upgrade, and show you how easy it is to do the right remote upgrade just to get it proportional. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, comment and share. When you subscribe, hit the bell, hit the top bell so that you can get all my notifications when I come out with a new video. Thanks for watching.